vector, that is convert an array into 2D array with given conditions. We are given an integer array nums storing all the integral values, and we need to convert these values into a 2D array nums, and the 2D array should contain only the elements of the array nums. Each row should contain distinct integers. Number of rows in 2D array should be minimal. For the number of rows to be minimal, or the number of rows should be equal to the maximum occurrence of an integer in the given nums. So first we need to find in this nums integer or vector, we need to find the maximum occurring element. Then we can see here 1 is occurring 3 times, that is, so 3 is the maximum row in the given 2D array. In the first row always we have to keep all the elements inside the first row. Then second element, whose frequency is 2, we have to store that element, and in the third we have to store those elements whose frequency is 3. So let us see the code of the question. So here is the code of the question. First we have initialized a vector int type of answer, which we have to return finally. Then we have initialized a maximum variable to store the maximum frequency of an element occurring in that nums. So we have initialized with integer main. Then we have taken an unordered map, and we have stored all the frequency of the elements, and we have taken the maximum occurring element frequency out of it. Then we have to iterate till the maximum frequency, that will, for each iteration, will create a array. So for each iteration it will create a row. So maximum row would be equal to maxi, that is the maximum occurring element in the nums. That is, for each time we have to initialize a vector int temp to store the elements in each row. Then we have to iterate in the map, and we have to check whether the frequency of that element in the map is greater than equal to y. Then we have to put into the temp, and for each iteration we have to push the temp into the answer, and finally we have to return answer